Hello guys, here we are. We got the Triumph Herald back. As you can see, she's home and she needs a fair bit of work doing to her actually, but it's something that I can sort out. As you can see, it's got the famous rot on the bottom of the doors, got a bit of rot on the D panels, the front panel needs replacing, bottom of the seals on the doors. The actual back panels are not that bad actually, not bad at all. Little bit rot on the bottom, little bits here and there. It's more surface rust. I can plate all that and put new plates in, but roughly it's quite solid. Underneath's quite good. Engine needs a bit of work doing to it. Revs its arse off. The exhaust pipe's hanging off. Got a bit of a problem here with the front D wings, like they all bloody go. The front panel needs replacing as well. You get a second-hand one of them, so it's not a drama. Those D panels there are not a drama. Both in the wings are pretty shot, so they need replacing. That's the good bits. Like I say, you've got here, you've got bottom of the doors need replacing, and like I say, the rear panels are not that sad. There's a little bit of rust underneath. Floor, as you can see, the front floor pans this side is pretty rotten. I've got a new one of them coming. You could do with a new top bit as well, so I'm sure we can find one from somewhere. It's a rolling resto, this one, rolling resto. As you can see, the little bits here, little bits there. Apparently it's not bad underneath. I've checked underneath, it's quite solid underneath actually. Here we go, we've got the other floor pan, and like I say, needs a little bit of work doing to it. Oh, excuse me. Nothing that I can't really sort out. Basically it's pretty sound. The rear floors are actually pretty good actually. They're all actually pretty good. I haven't looked underneath here yet. I haven't taken this off. I haven't taken the rear rostering bits a bit gone here, a bit gone there. But like I say, it's nothing that I can't sort out. The roof's really good. It's got an original factory roof on it as well, factory hood, so that's pretty good. The exhaust pipe needs changing because that's all falling apart, and just a rear bit. But apart from that, it's a rolling resto, and the engine needs sorting out as well because it revs its arse off, and you can't do a lot until I get the exhaust on. But that's it. That's the Triumph Herald. It's an original convertible as well. It's not a roof that's been cut off and done. So yeah, all looking quite good. I must get on with my Mini as well. I must get on with my Mini. I put all new, brand new panels all around the back, so that's all done. All new floor pans, everything. So that will get done one day. But this one, I want to try and get it done on the road by the end of next month. Anyway, there you go. There's the Triumph Herald. Watch your space for new content. It should be a laugh.